Today in this video, I am going to teach you how you can create a Binance account step by step. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store and install Binance application. This is going to have a very simple tutorial. Under 2 minutes, you will be able to create your Binance account. After installing the Binance application, open it and here you need to choose your preferred language. I am choosing English here. After clicking on next, you will see two options. I am new to crypto and I am familiar with crypto. So as a beginner, you need to select the first option. I am new to crypto. The very first step is you need to enter your email address or phone number. I've entered my email address and then I click next, after which a 6-digit verification code will come to my email address. And here's my activation code. Open your mail and simply copy the activation code and then paste it here and click on next. Now you need to create a strong password for yourself. You can read the conditions below. 128 कैरेक्टर्स होने चाहिए, एटलीस्ट 1 नंबर होना चाहिए और एटलीस्ट 1 अपर केस लेटर होना चाहिए. Likewise, I am showing an example in the left side. Then click on next and your account is created. But wait, your account has only been created. Your personal verification is still not done. Now let's get you verified. Now you need a government issue ID here, which is also called a national ID, which is basically issued by your government. Enter that national ID number. Now a OTP will be sent to your mobile number which is linked to your national ID. Simply copy and paste that code here and then click on next. Some additional informations will be shown to you like your employment status, your annual income. Likewise, I have clicked on a student and then hit continue. Now Binance team will take 10 to 15 minutes to review your information and verify it from their end. And once your details are verified, a verified green tick will be shown on your account. And you are finally done with the process of creating a Binance account.